Welcome to your home page in LifeSketch. When you first create LifeSketch, it's going to look like this. You've got three main cards. You can create your book projects. So each project for each book that you want to write. You can actually just jump right in to capturing your stories. And some of you may already have journals or half-written stories or other works that you want to put in here. If it's a journal, my little tip for you, if it's handwritten, just take some pictures of it with your phone. You can access LifeSketch with your phone. Click this, you can upload those pictures. It will automatically just transcribe those right into text. It's very simple. So these are the three main cards. The other thing you have up here is a couple of options. LifeSketch at the top, the logo, will always take you to this page. So no matter where you are, if you want to come back to the main page, just click that. There's also this little robot head. His name is Coupe. Coupe's job is to help you never get stuck. He's a wayfinder. I named him Coupe because I was just doing some history and the wayfinder who found New Zealand's name was Coupe. And so I thought, how fun. Why don't we create an AI whose main job, kind of like an online help, but it's an AI. He can think, he can answer your questions, he can guide you. Anytime you have questions, you can come in here and you can either type your question, or if you want to have him talk to you, you can use the voice chat and then he will actually just engage with you. You can hold this, talk to him, ask him anything you want about how it works, what to do. You could ask him about prompts like, hey, I don't know what I should write about. He's there to help you. So just remember, Coupe, if you ever get stuck, he's there to help you. You might think of that phone a friend in that game show. You might say, Brett, I've started using this tool. And guess what? I'm lost. I don't know what to do. I don't really feel comfortable calling you at home. My recommendation is just picture this is the time for you to talk to Coupe. Go ahead and click that, talk to him, and most likely he's going to be able to help you. If he can't, then we've got some other resources for you. And worst case scenario, if you got my number, text me, call me. At this point in the world of LifeSketch, I'm not serving millions of people, so I want to help everyone be successful, and you can reach out to me directly. My email is on the website. You're also going to find that up in the top right, you have your profile. And you can see here it has the username for this account. It's called Traveler. And you can see I can go to my projects, my home page. I also have some profile settings, some billing settings, and some AI defaults. And this also is where I can log out. We're not going to go through each of these right now, but just know that you can go into these to customize your experience with LifeSketch. So that's a quick overview of the main page within LifeSketch. Now, how do we use it? For most of us, we're going to create a book project and then start creating our story. So let's do that next.